All right, here we go. We got lab station number 2, which is going to be the drop test. So we're going to use some wax paper here, and I labeled it. Wax paper is nonpolar. All right, it does not have absolutely charged ends. So what happens here? Polar molecules are going to attract to other polar molecules. So if we put a droplet of a liquid on this wax paper, if it's a polar molecule, the molecules are going to be attracted to each other, right? The negative end of one molecule is going to be attracted to the positive end of the neighbor. They're going to clump together, right? That's cohesion. So if we have a polar molecule, we're going to see it form a droplet. It's going to stick together, even though gravity's trying to pull down on it, push down on it, and spread it out. The intermolecular forces, the forces between particles, are stronger and will resist the gravitational force trying to flatten it. So polar molecules will form a droplet, and nonpolar molecules don't stick together very well. The intermolecular forces are weaker, so gravity is able to flatten it. Right? Gravity wins that battle. So think about cars, right? Your parents, or you may have waxed your parents' car at some point. We put a thin coat of nonpolar wax on the surface of the car because whenever it rains, water gets on the car, or salts get on your car. Those are polar molecules, all right? They're not going to stick as well to the nonpolar wax, all right? So it's going to protect the paint and keep your car looking better longer. So here we go. Let me shift the camera here. Look at that. I'm getting pretty good at this photography stuff. Do some photography for my wife's business. I'd go to her practice and take some pictures of eyeglasses and put them on Google. So I like photography. I like Photoshop. Video is somewhat new to me though. So here we go. So water, good old water. I'm gonna put it on the water, and I'm using a whiteboard for the background once again. So let's put a couple drops of water. And look at that. Let me see if I can get a little better view here. Let's try to get a little closer. There we go. Lower down the tripod a little bit here, but you can see droplets. Let's check out some isopropanol. Look at that. That is what we call a flat sheet, right? That did not form a droplet. That's a puddle. That looks like what my dog Stewie does in the house. He does not like to go outside anymore. He doesn't like going up and down the steps, so he likes to just pee right in the kitchen. I love it. I look forward to every morning when I wake up, going downstairs, seeing where is Stewie's pee puddle today. All right, we got acetic acid. Put a couple drops on here, and look at that, nice droplets, just like water. And then last but not least, we got good old hexane. We're gonna put some hexane on here, and so look at that, you can hardly see it, it's just a big puddle. Look, it's a puddle. So that's station 3, record your data. We got one more station left.